Dumelang, Tobo here, CEO and founder of Lion Tutoring. It's been a year since we've occupied our new premises here in Setlua. We're next to DMSS, the swimming school, and we're in the Setlua estate. So I'd like to just take you guys on a tour so that you see where the students normally have their lessons, where our admin teams are located, our boardroom. We also have Perfect Pour, which is the coffee shop and where students can get their lunch, and some parents come here to just get coffee. We also have a library, so let's go. This is our reception area. As you can see, we've got friendly staff here. I'm gonna take you guys through to the boardroom and the other offices on the admin wing. We've got our bathrooms this side for the parents, so they don't need to go far. Ladies and gents, we've got our offices this side. This side, guys, is our boardroom. The boardroom has its own toilets. It has its own kitchenette. Main boardroom here, as you can see, state of the art. It has its own exits this side, which are away and secluded from the main entrance. So this is where we have our board meetings, our trainings, workshops, like we're having a study skills workshop today, exam preparation for the students, and I also host some of my mentees under the Tomo Khatola mentorship program. So we have the Perfect Pour here. They're running our school tuck shop. They've got all this list of amazing menu items. They've got muffins, croissants, sandwiches, food bowls, and then hot chocolate coffee for the parents. So once you've dropped your child here, you don't have to worry about them having to go out to get food. They can just get it from the school tuck shop. So now we're going to go into the classrooms where the students normally have their one-on-one tutorials just before they come in. So follow me there. So the classrooms that we just showed you now, there's 4 of them. So those are study areas. There's 4 exact same study areas on the ground floor. Then there's also 4 in the upper floor. So now I'm just going to take you to the study center library so that you see where the students, after their lessons, could come and have their quiet time of study. So this is the boiler room, also called the sales room. It's basically where our sales agents are always on the call with clients to just assist them in having the best tutorial program for their kids. So whether it's new students or continuing students, whatever hiccup we go through, it's basically a call center that allows us to help all the students in Botswana, South Africa, Kenya, and Namibia. Right, finally, this is my office. I do most of my best work here in running the organization, running the teams, and yeah, I have some of my books in the cupboards. I do my study here. I do most of my praying here and running the organization. So I'd like to just invite you here to the Lion Tutoring office. Make sure that you bring your kids here, come and tour the office and see how best we can help you. Thank you.